Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Our focus will shift to exploring the aggregation feature in greater depth after we've completed the second part of the Config Wizard demo. So let's jump in. To create an aggregation, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. Head over to the Config Wizard and click on the Aggregation tab. Remember, only numeric fields are relevant for aggregations. Select the fields you want to work with, for example, amount and probability. Define your aggregation operation. Copy it and head over to the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you find Aggregate. Paste your configuration. And don't forget to check the Show Aggregation Header option. Finally, hit Save and back. And voila, your aggregation is ready to go. Thank you for watching.